So, welcome guys to our spider channel. So, here's my sword that I show you from my one TikTok oh oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna show you at the end. So we're putting the tarantula here. So oh my god, so the tarantula is going outside. Okay. Let's go! Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Look.
Dapat lagi nasa katambangan kahoy lagi. Iya na tubig tol. Sprayan mo nito.
Okay, so I'll show you in the next one. So bye.